My favorite number is 9,999.
I like 111.
Really? Oh yeah, you do. Because you always say that. Because it's 111. Mine's 9999. I got 4 nines. You got 3 ones.
Do you like 4 or 3?
Both.
You like hundreds of? Do you like ones or two? Both.
I think both. May I don't know. Do you want some? No, you don't.
Do ones like you?
Oh, you make me spill some.
No.
Well, stop talking to me.
Ah,
I haven't even eaten.
Who said
I
this
saw
good?
you.
Which
I
one?
saw you.
Which one is it? Assembly. This is the assembly.
No.
Which one is it?
I didn't see it. There was no assembly today.
I was going to assembly. Why not? Because there's no time for you to go.
We were in the computers. We were doing the iPads today.
We was doing the Kindle. No, we did. You saw me do it. No, I saw me and me do it. Tell you.
There's no Kindles in school.
Only iPads and tablet. I
No.
hate computers and laptops. I like only tablet.
We don't even know what's a tablet.
What's the tablet mean? Is
Then
it
what's a tablet mean?
that you play something?
No. It's like a little phone. It's like a big phone.
No, it's not. When you play Granny game, then you can play on tablet.
And then you can get a dinosaur.
I got it on me. Oh, did you got one?
I don't know.
Yeah, I do. He did. Yeah, Woody or Buzz or Jesse or Bullseye. What's that man name? This moustache one. On Toy Story 2.
No, Toy Story 3. Because you said about